In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink in LibreOffice quickly and easily. This is a really useful skill, whether you're creating a presentation for school, work, or a client, because hyperlinks let you connect your slides to websites, documents, emails, or other slides in just a few clicks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to enter the link correctly so it works the way you want. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer and launch the presentation you want to work on. Once your file is open, look through your slides and select the exact slide where you want to add the hyperlink. This is important because the link will be placed on that slide, so make sure you're editing the correct one before moving forward. Now, with the slide selected, go to the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, choose Hyperlink. As soon as you click it, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll set up the hyperlink destination. In the pop-up, you will see different options depending on what kind of link you want to create. You can link to a web page, a file, a document, an email address, or even another target. Select the destination type that fits your needs, then paste or type the link into the appropriate field. If you're linking to a website, make sure the full URL is entered correctly, including the HTTPS part if required. After that, fill in any additional details that are needed, such as the display text, target, or other settings, depending on your version of LibreOffice. Take a moment to double-check everything before confirming, because even a small typo in the link can stop it from working properly. Once everything looks right, click OK or apply to save the hyperlink. Now, your link is added to the slide and ready to use. You can test it by clicking the linked text or object during slideshow mode to make sure it opens the correct destination. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a hyperlink in LibreOffice in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy LibreOffice tips, presentation tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.